Google's latest security gadget just upped the ante with jaw-dropping specs that could change the game for smart home enthusiasts. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this a genuine leap forward or just marketing hype? Let's dive into the details of the newly leaked Nest Doorbell 2K and unpack what it means for users. Yesterday's Home Depot and Reddit leaks, check the links in the sources, revealed the first official specs for the 3rd-gen wired model in snow finish. The box's back panel now confirms what rumors suggested. The 2K HDR label isn't just a catchy name. It translates to a full 2048 by 2048 resolution, a massive jump from the current 960 by 1280. To put that into perspective, this is a square 2K resolution, which could mean sharper, more detailed footage, especially in wide-angle scenes. But wait, here's the part most people miss. This isn't the standard 2K resolution, 2560 by 1440 used in TVs or monitors. Google is defining 2K differently here, which might confuse buyers. Should we hold them to industry standards, or is this a valid way to market resolution upgrades? Share your thoughts in the comments. The field of view, FOV, also gets a boost, expanding from 145-degree diagonal to 166-degree diagonal. Imagine this as a wider angle lens. Think of it as capturing a broader window of your front porch. For example, if someone approaches from the side of your driveway, this update ensures they stay in frame. But what about the upcoming Nest Cam 2K? Right now, outdoor models offer a 130-degree FOV, while indoor ones hit 135 degrees. Will the new camera match the doorbell's 166 degrees? That's a big question mark. Core features remain unchanged: night vision, two-way audio, and weather resistance. Even the operating temperature range stays the same, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, as does the power requirement, 16 to 24 volts, 10 to 40 VA, ... In the box, you'll find the doorbell itself, a chime connector, base plate, 20-degree wedge for mounting, wire connectors, hex key, screws, anchors, spacers, and a window decal. Everything you need to install it. No extra purchases required. Now for the kicker. A subscription is still mandatory for premium features like Gemini and advanced AI experiences. This has sparked debates in the smart home community. Is it fair to charge extra for features that should be part of the base product? Or is this just how modern tech companies monetize innovation? We'd love to hear your take. Add 9to5 Google to your Google newsfeed for more updates. And remember, we use affiliate links to support our work. More info here. What do you think? Is the Nest Doorbell 2K worth the wait? Or are the specs just smoke and mirrors? Top your comments below, and let's discuss.